If you're a lover of plant-based milk, then you will love this fresh peanut milk. My name is AB. Welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make fresh peanut milk. This is fresh peanut. It is not roasted peanut. Right now I am removing all the sands, stones and bad peanuts from this general peanut. And so I'm going to also wash it to remove the dusts. Yes, the peanut is washed now, and mind you, this is just a cup of peanuts. Now I'll be adding hot water to this peanut. I'll soak it for about 15 minutes in order to remove the skin or the flesh of the peanuts. It's now about 15 minutes. I'm taking out the flesh or the skin of the peanuts. See how easily the skin of the peanut comes out. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel and for watching this video. Please do not forget to give me a like by clicking on the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value from this video. Thank you so much. Now I have peeled all the skin of the peanuts. I'll transfer the peeled peanut into my blender and add a cup of water. To the already peeled peanut in the blender, I'll be adding a quarter spoon of salt, a quarter spoon of cinnamon, 2 spoons of sugar, and 1 spoon of milk flavor. You can do without the milk flavoring. Okay, I'm blending the peanuts now. I'm going to blend it until it is smooth. I only first of all use a cup of water to blend. After it is thoroughly blended smoothly, I will add 2 more cups of water to increase the quantity because the peanut is filled with enough milk. So I transfer the blended peanut into my sieve and I'm going to sieve out the milk. I'm going to blend this peanut twice so I can get all the milk out. Now this is the peanut milk. See how rich and creamy this peanut milk looks. But that's not all. I will be transferring this milk into a pot using an handkerchief to also sieve it first, because I don't want any particles of the peanuts entering into the milk. I am going to boil this peanut milk for about 2 minutes so as to remove the nutty scent from the peanut milk. You know, peanut comes with a lot of nutty scent, so I want to remove it by boiling it for about 2 minutes. Please do not boil this milk beyond 2 minutes. I'll transfer the peanut milk to the heat and boil for only 2 minutes on a low heat. I repeat, only 2 minutes on a low heat. If you do more than 2 minutes or the heat is higher than low, then the milk will begin to curdle or thicken up, and I know you don't want that. I also want to thank all my old subscribers. Thank you very much for always coming to my channel to watch my videos and for supporting me. God bless you all. Please, as you watch this video, do not forget to give me a like on this video. After boiling the peanut milk for about 2 minutes on a low heat, it is now ready for serving. You can have this peanut milk hot or cold. You can also have this peanut milk in your cereals, in your teas. You can also use this peanut milk to make yogurt. Yes, peanut yogurt. Yes, this peanut milk can be used in a lot of ways, and I know that you will enjoy it if you truly try this peanut milk. I want to thank you all for watching my video and for coming to this channel. God bless you all, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye.